if you're on my Snapchat, if you follow me on Snapchat and Instagram, I told you guys to like send me recipes that you want to see. And yeah, I'm back to YouTube now. So yeah, for those of you that don't follow me, make sure you follow me on my social media, all of my platforms, and yeah, send me recipes that you like me to like put up on my channel. Yeah. So today the first request is my stir fried noodles. So basically I use like I decided to save this just to show you guys. I use Indomie, and this one is the onion chicken flavor. And actually my favorite is the plain, the original flavor, just the chicken plain flavor, like not the onion type, because I don't like the oil that comes with this one. But yeah, so I threw that away anyways. So yeah guys, I decided to buy the noodles first, and this one I just had a little bit of time. As you can see, I have not used the spice that comes with the noodles, because we're going to use it for these guys first. Yeah, so this guy only have like thyme in it, and I just boiled it in inside a lot of water and then drained it. Basically that's what you need to do to your noodles. And I'm going to be using the olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, because I'm just trying to live a normal life and be more healthy. Does that make sense? Yeah, okay. Let's continue. And this one, and this is the soy sauce. I love soy sauce. I'm a big fan of soy sauce, like in my noodles, everything actually. If I'm allowed to actually incorporate this in like Nigerian dishes, so yeah, I'm down for it. So yeah, right here I have tomatoes. I have big stick tomato. I just decided to cut them in like into slices. But then you can use any type of tomatoes, like the Roma tomato, like cherry tomatoes, anyone at all. Yeah. And right here I've got bell pepper, the green, yellow and red, and I have a little bit of a scotch bonnet right here. And right here I have what is this thing called again? Holy moly, mother of God, I actually forgot. I've got garlic. I'm so dull right now. I've got garlic right here. I just had to mince it a little bit, just to one, like that's my tiny small pumpkin. Yeah, just one of them. And yeah, let's get to work. So right here I've got my pan. This is just oil. Just gonna let it. So yeah, I've got my frying pan going on, and yeah, right there. And I decided to use I like to use non-stick frying pan, because it's just going to help my noodles like slide off, like just like that. It's just going to come off like if I'm trying to like plate it and all. So yeah, that's how I like the non-stick pans. And I would advise you to actually get like one of these guys, like the non-stick pans. They are so good, because you don't have to worry about like scraping your pot and scraping that blah blah blah. You don't have to worry about it. So yeah. I'm gonna put my olive oil in it. How have you guys been? I missed you all, man. I missed you, but if you don't know what that is, that means I miss you so much. Yeah, so don't like that. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, inside this mixture I've got onions. I'm sure you guys can see that. I have just like onions. So this is like the bell pepper that I usually like just cut with onions and all of that, and just put it like in the freezer. And I think I've actually gotten one of that like in a pack before. I'm not sure about the store. Wait, I think I got it from one of the African stores in Vancouver here, so in Surrey. Yeah, I'll confirm and let you guys know in case you're interested in my buying. It's so good, because you don't have to like stress yourself about cutting bell peppers if you need one. So yeah, right now I'm just going to add my I love that sound. Look at this baby. You don't have to come on, get inside, come on. There we go. So I'm going to reduce the heat of these guys to like medium. In case you're asking why I added the tomato sauce, I'm sure some of you guys know, but in case you don't know, in case you're wondering why I added it, but because the water content in this is more than any one of these guys right here, right? So I'm just gonna sweat this, like kind of just pour out the water. And during that process, you're going to make it more soft and just gonna make it tender and all of that. Well, this is actually wrong. Using the tongue inside the side, though. I don't know. Here next, I'm gonna be adding my bell pepper with my scotch bonnet and my garlic. I'm gonna be adding it to this because going to the spices. How about actually so while I'm doing this, I'm gonna add one of these guys to eat. So inside there, I've got 2 parts of the noodles. But every time I make noodles, you know the mutton part. Every time I make noodles, it reminds me of my mom. She will always say, "Why are you putting the 2 seasoning? It's not good. It's too much. This, that." I'm like, wow. Like she complains about if you're making noodles for her, you can't use the part. Every single time I'm making noodles. So yeah, mom. So what should we do? Just a little bit shy. Don't call me. Thank you. So yeah, I added 1 half of the noodles just so the pepper can be sweet too. We're not just going to be eating the well-seasoned noodles, but we're going to be eating a nice, delicious pepper in the food. So yeah, I'm just going to get this like, you know, shaka, a little bit. Shaka, baby, let this nice. Right in the bed. Come on, I need you to fry. Come on, baby, I need you to swim. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna add my noodles. And to the young, beautiful lady that requested this recipe, make sure you try it and tell me. During this process, oh, I dropped noodles. Oh my god. So yeah, during this period, I just like to use my food. That way I can incorporate it better. I mean, you can use a fork, that's not what I'm saying. You can use a fork, but I'm putting it to you. It smells good, girl. Hey, what's wrong with my phone, man? You need it to be on fire right now. And now we're just gonna have like unboiled tablespoon of this. And mix that together. Smells delicious. Can't wait to big me. So you can have this like a piece of chicken. And all that goodness, and if you're the egg type, why not? over just for some egg and like decorate a little bit pretty. And you can also do this for like your kids lunch. You can put in your kids lunch box, just a little bit of fanciness with the green pepper, the red pepper, yellow going on, and all of that. The aroma like is delicious. So my kind of kids open it in the class. The child will be like, can I have a taste? Yeah, so yeah, that's it's very simple, straightforward. And now that I've added my noodles, the very last thing that we're going to add is the rest of the seasoning. I'm going to use that rest of the right there. Oh my god. You know what I like to do at this point? I like to leave it so the seasoning will just like settle down itself. You can see like the white of the turning brown a little bit. And that's the pepper. Let's see, it depends on what you want. You might need pepper, so yeah. I just like the thing to like finish turning to brown. And then I get to mix it. Mix it. Finish it. How do you say finish in French? I don't know. But yeah, turn on the E and boom, this baby girl is ready to like get it. So yeah, you can use it as I said earlier. You can use it as lunch for your kids. You can do this for your, take it to work and let it be fancy. They'll think you're eating 1 million naira noodles. Yeah, so that is my simple recipe for stir-fry noodles. And yeah, I only do this method for my Indomie noodles, but like every other day, you want to see my other recipe for my like the Chinese noodle, let me know in the comment section. I love you guys. Don't forget to leave me the food that you like me to like give you recipe for. Like I'll be so happy to actually do this video. So yeah, let me know guys. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe, put on your notification button. Yeah, I like this video. Make sure you share this video too. Thank you. Okay, bye for the last time. Bye.